Our players this year, especially the forwards, have seemingly been through a casualty list in terms of injuries. One recovers, one gets injured. Just walk us through how have you guys managed that in particular this year?
Yeah, obviously it's not the perfect scenario, especially when you, in my department, when you lose so much locks and players that get injured. But, in this environment, it's very important to adapt. We've learned over the years that we've got so many quality players in the country. Yes, it's sad when a good quality player gets injured and he's not ready to compete. But we saw also in the SA 21s with the talents, on the 20s, the talent that are available in the country, and it's a good time for these players also to get exposure and opportunity to compete at this level. So yeah, when the news broke that the player is injured, you think about who's possible the next one, and I can clearly say that the way the guys are starting and filling that position, how as I said previously, how the senior players assisted the guys coming in. I think we've adapted well, and we're looking forward to see how these young players can sort of make the step up and impose themselves on this position at this level.